How to create or delete an email autoresponder. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the email section, click on the autoresponders icon. Click on the Add Autoresponder button. Under Character Set, click on the drop-down menu and select an appropriate character set. Enter the interval in hours. You want the autoresponder to wait before it sends the next message to the same email address on receiving another email from the same address. Entering 12 means it will not send another response message for emails received within 12 hours from the same email address. Now enter the email address for which it will respond, then select the domain of the email account. Enter the username in the From text box. For example, Engage Branding. Enter the subject of the response message. For example, Hi, how are you? In the body text box, write the message you want the autoresponder to send. For example, How are you? How's your day going? You can start the autoresponder immediately, or you can set a date and time as per your requirements. To set a custom date and time, click on the Custom button. If you want to stop autoresponder, you can click on the Custom button and set a date and time to stop, or you can choose the Never option. Click on the Create button. That's it, you have successfully created an email autoresponder. Click on the Go Back button. Under Actions, click on the Delete button. Click on the Delete Autoresponder button. That's it, you have successfully created and deleted an email autoresponder. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.